Here are 40 sentences using, do you want me to? 1. Do you want me to help you with that? 2. Do you want me to call you later? 3. Do you want me to pick you up? 4. Do you want me to explain it again? 5. Do you want me to bring you some water? 6. Do you want me to cook dinner tonight? 7. Do you want me to clean the room? 8. Do you want me to turn off the lights? 9. Do you want me to send the email? 10. Do you want me to stay with you? 11. Do you want me to carry that for you? 12. Do you want me to open the window? 13. Do you want me to drive you to work? 14. Do you want me to remind you later? 15. Do you want me to cancel the appointment? 16. Do you want me to take a message for you? 17. Do you want me to bring anything for the party? 18. Do you want me to book a table? 19. Do you want me to pick up some groceries? 20. Do you want me to lend you some money? 21. Do you want me to explain how it works? 22. Do you want me to call the doctor? 23. Do you want me to fix that for you? 24. Do you want me to organize the files? 25. Do you want me to send the package? 26. Do you want me to walk the dog? 27. Do you want me to check the weather forecast? 28. Do you want me to take care of it? 29. Do you want me to turn down the music? 30. Do you want me to get you something to eat? 31. Do you want me to find out more details? 32. Do you want me to wait for you here? 33. Do you want me to repair the broken chair? 34. Do you want me to look into the issue? 35. Do you want me to talk to them on your behalf? 36. Do you want me to get some coffee? 37. Do you want me to start without you? 38. Do you want me to teach you how to do it? 39. Do you want me to buy tickets for the event? 40. Do you want me to handle this situation? These sentences are useful for offering assistance or confirming what someone might need.